Hi, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, talking natural gas futures. As much as you hear oil, oil, oil in these energy commentaries, natural gas is the story today. Natural gas finished up almost 5% today, and that may sound like a huge move. It is a huge move, but natural gas has been rallying for well over a month. Prices are now up 50% from where they were a year ago at this time. And that's not unusual when you see the amount of demand that's coming. Demand is clearly up in natural gas, even as we enter the warm weather. Coal power plants and nuclear power plants have been closing. There's also been outages in coal and nuclear power plants, pushing demand for natural gas driven electricity. In the past, we've always had natural gas just for heating, and now these natural gas power plants are more and more in demand with the discovery from fracking of more natural gas supply. We are the largest supplier, or the largest reserve of natural gas by far in the world, and these natural gas power plants are starting to replace the coal and nuclear ones that are shutting down. And then again, we've had outages in coal and nuclear power plants more so than normal, and the demand for the natural gas electricity starts to spike up. Also, it's interesting that the market is undersupplied. Right now, the market is undersupplied. Even with the production bump ups that we've had in the US, the market is undersupplied by 1.7 billion cubic feet a day. That's how much more natural gas is demanded than there actually is in the pipelines coming out. Now, that's been pushing prices up. It's been pushing speculative prices up. We are 2.6 billion cubic feet less of supply than we had a year ago, and below the 5-year average. Some of the shops expect us to be 5.3 billion cubic feet at this time next year, below the 5-year average in terms of the amount of supply and reserve that we have. So if this doesn't break out, we've had these rallies stall at around 325 before. We ended up around 328 today. The longs will actually get tired, similar to the way we saw them get tired in crude oil a week or two back when it couldn't get above 55. We saw the price fall all the way back down to 47. Crude oil is now back up. We'll see if natural gas can break out and stay broken out. Difficult to do with the warm weather coming, but again, most of the demand that we're seeing right now is for natural gas-fired electricity. This is Bob Iaccino talking natural gas futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.